So in today's episode, we'll be using some of the burgers we made in the last episode. We're going to be using some tomato and gochujang sauce to drench the burgers and serving it up with some beautiful udon noodles. So let's go! So for the sauce, we're just going to use 3 ingredients: some tomato and garlic paste, some gochujang, and some soy and tamari sauce. Tomato and garlic paste, nice spoonful of gochujang, some tamari, next I'm going to add some water, and I'm going to let that reduce. So I'm going to make the udon noodles. Just a few ingredients: udon noodles, got some black sesame seeds, we've got some tamari and soy sauce, and we've got some sesame oil. I'm going to place some of the wet udon noodles into a dish. I'm going to add some hot boiling water to the udon noodles. Now strain the udon noodles. We're going to start off adding some sesame oil, a splash of soy, and finally some black sesame seeds. Stir it up. So now I'm going to plate out the dish. I'm going to create a base of tomato paste. On that I'm going to place the burger. I'm going to put udon noodles all around it. It'll look beautiful. First I'm going to put a circle in the middle of the plate. Then I'm going to pour some of that lovely tomato sauce in that circle. I'm going to place the burger in the middle. So I'm going to tear off some chives. And here you go. It's vegan burger on some tomato paste served with some udon noodles. Delicious.